do I use a heat gun for phone repair safely? Imagine trying to peel away stubborn glue from your phone without causing any damage. That's where a heat gun can be your best friend. But using one the right way is key to keeping your device safe and your fingers unburned. First, always turn off your phone completely and disconnect the battery if you can. This step helps prevent electrical shorts and protects sensitive parts. Next, pick a clean, well-lit workspace to avoid losing tiny screws or dropping tools. Before turning on your heat gun, check that it's in good condition and from a trusted brand. Set the temperature to a low or medium level, around 175 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius. Higher temperatures can melt plastic or harm chips inside the phone. Never use the highest setting unless the repair specifically calls for it. Wear safety goggles and heat-resistant gloves to shield your eyes and hands from accidental splashes of hot glue or plastic. If you're working in a small space, consider using a respirator mask to avoid inhaling fumes from melted adhesives. Make sure the area is ventilated well to keep harmful gases from building up. Hold the heat gun about 8 to 10 centimeters, or roughly 3 to 4 inches, away from the phone's surface. Move it in slow, circular motions to distribute heat evenly. Do not keep the heat focused on one spot for more than a few seconds, as this can cause warping or cracking. Usually, heating the edges of the screen or battery for about 1 to 2 minutes is enough to soften the adhesive. Once the glue feels soft, use plastic tools like a plastic pry tool or a nylon spudger to gently lift and separate the parts. Metal tools can scratch or puncture the battery, which is dangerous, so stick with plastic. If the battery is swollen or damaged, do not try to remove it with a heat gun, seek professional help instead. After finishing, turn off the heat gun and place it on a heat-proof surface to cool. Never leave it unattended while hot or near flammable materials. Always follow the specific instructions for your phone model because different phones use different adhesives and internal layouts. Using the heat gun carefully and following these safety tips will help you do a clean, safe repair without risking damage to your device or yourself.